The mitral valve is situated between the left atrium and the left ventricle of the heart. The mitral valve's primary function is to regulate blood flow from the left atrium into the left ventricle. The mitral valve ensures that oxygen-rich blood efficiently enters the left ventricle. During diastole, the mitral valve opens, allowing oxygenated blood to flow from the left atrium into the left ventricle. During systole, the mitral valve closes tightly, preventing backflow into the left atrium as the left ventricle contracts. Unidirectional blood flow through the mitral valve is crucial for efficient circulation and oxygen delivery throughout the body. A malfunctioning mitral valve can result in regurgitation, causing blood to flow backward into the left atrium. Mitral valve stenosis occurs when the valve narrows, restricting the flow of blood from the left atrium to the left ventricle. Untreated mitral valve regurgitation or stenosis can cause significant strain on the heart, potentially leading to heart failure and other cardiovascular complications.